Tonight, right here in this stadium, look at the stadium. Just look around you, ladies and gentlemen, seated in front. Just look around you.
The most memorable festival, all of you would agree with this, and qualitatively, quantitatively, a festival which had wonderful films being made out.
Indian Panorama Best Debut Director, Indian Feature Film goes to Karan Singh Tyagi for the film Kesari Chapter 2.
जलियांवाला बाग में पूरे 10 मिनट तक गोलियां चलाई और 12 घंटे तक सभ्यों को बाग में बंद रखा ताकि गिद्ध उन्हें खा सके। उन चीखों के बीच एक ललकार उठी।
And the winner for Indian Panorama Best Web Series is
Bandish
Bandish Season 2.
पंडित जी कहते थे कलाकार का कर्तव्य उसके सुख और दुख के पली।
Here to receive the award in person, Anand and Sagira Nair, head of original scripted series.
भारत का उत्तर पूर्व 7 बहन और 1 भाई का एक अपूर्व बंधन जो भारत की संस्कृति का एक प्रतीक बनकर पूर्वी द्वार में सदैव खड़ा है। इसी पूर्वोत्तर की धरती में अपनी सुरों के झंकार के मध्य कई महान संगीतकारों को जन्म दिया, जिन्होंने अपनी प्रतिभा और संगीतमय कृतित्व के माध्यम से भारतीय सिनेमा को अपना अमूल्य अवदान से सुसज्जित किया, अपनी पहचान बनाई और ख्याति प्राप्त की। ऐसे ही महान संगीतकारों में से एक थे भारत रत्न और दादा साहेब फाल्के पुरस्कार से पुरस्कृत डॉक्टर भूपेन हजारिका, जिनके सुर और संगीत ने भारतीय सिनेमा में अपना बहुमूल्य योगदान दिया।
तू अगर मेरी ये हवाएं तेरी, तू अगर मेरी सारी राहें तेरी, तू अगर मेरी It's a blessing and a
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ranveer Singh! Ranveer Singh! Welcome to your team. First of all, from power-packed, strong trailer to this soulful song. How does it feel?
ये गाना अरिजीत सिंह जी ने गाया. Any Arijit fans in the house? अगर मैं गा सकता तो मैं गा भी लेता. अब आए हैं, स्टेज है, माइक है, कुछ तो करना चाहिए ना भाई.
बिल्कुल.
तू अगर मेरी. नवाज भाई आप ताली नहीं बजा रहे. नवाज भाई आपको मेरी गायकी अच्छी नहीं लगी? 2 thumbs up. You are partial to me because I know you love me extra. आपको पता है नवाज जी ने मुझे ट्रेन किया था एज एन एक्टर बैक इन द डे, बट a story for another day. I won't waste the time of the prestigious gathering here. Very very thrilled, ma'am, sir, and everybody here. That
Question for you.
हाँ, मैं खत्म कर लूँ मैम. मैं अब भी शुरू किया मैं. मैं इतना ही बोलना चाह रहा था जय भाई कि I am thrilled, really thrilled with the response to the teaser and then the trailer. Of course, this is another flavor, ये अलग रस है, but a really lovely soulful song from the depths of Arijit Singh's heart. A great artist, and we're very honored to have him on the album. I'm very happy to be here and very happy that we're able to launch this on the EP stage. So thank you for having me.
Lovely.
Safe House, directed by Eric Swenson. And here to receive the award on behalf of Safe House is Manoj Kadam, ICFT UNESCO. Let's go. Manoj Kadam.
For peace, for truth, for cinema that heals. A big round of applause for our ICFT UNESCO Gandhi Medal winner.
Manoj Kadam for Eric Swenson for the film Safe House.
In the world cinema who has been a mainstream hero for 50 years of his career. At the age of 75.
He is the first actor in the world to act in 5 formats of filmmaking, be it black and white or color, 3D animation or the photorealistic motion capture film Kochadia. He is the only hero to have acted in 2 women director films, his own daughter Aishwarya, Lal Salam, and Saundarya, which is Kochadia.
He is the only hero to have acted with 2 female directors, his own daughter Aishwarya and Saundarya.
No actor in the world has acted as a mainstream hero till the age of 75. He's just turning 75, and in all of his 50 years of cinema, the only hero to have first acted as a robo in Indian cinema.
A man whose journey would redefine heroism, whose presence would rewrite style, and his humility would touch hearts across the world.
Tonight, on NFDC's Golden Jubilee, we celebrate another golden journey, a journey that has inspired India for half a century.
I would request the dignitaries to come near the podium and please turn your attention to the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is his story.
Honorable Minister Murugan sir, John sir, Randy, esteemed guests, dignitaries, all award winners, ladies and gentlemen, respected media, good evening to everybody. I stand here with I stand here with a lot of humility and gratitude. My heartfelt thanks to Central Government for honoring me for 50 years of acting in cinema. And Goa Ministry. I mean, I'm really congratulating them the way they are hosting it. 50 years acting in cinema. I look back, it seems like 10 or 15 years. Time flew like just like that.
President of Imphal Federation of Film Industries, who has been the voice of producers across the country, Mr. Abhay Sinha.
And the visionary, Prakash Ji.
Special mention to commemorate 125th birth anniversary of the pioneering filmmaker Shri V. Shantaram. We are pleased to invite Kiran Shantaram Ji to come on stage for the felicitation.
ಕಷ್ಟರು ನಾಗಂಗೆ ತಂದರೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟನೆ